guys, welcome to day 6. So today we're going to continue HTML. So let me move on to our tags. Okay. So first one is anchor links. Anchor links means a text linked with any other link or any other file or object. Okay, the text which is normal. Okay, when we give link for that text is named as hyperlink. Okay, let me see in depth a text. See, for example, click here. This is simple text, okay, which I have given inside this paragraph. So this is known as normal text. When we give link for this text, even inside paragraph means also no problem. So I am giving a href. Href means hyper reference. Okay, so a means anchor. Okay, href means hyper reference. So href is equal to any other file or any other link we can give. So just we are giving https://www.google.com. Okay, now here we want to give click here text and close a tag. Okay, after that we can close b tag. Now this click here become as anchor or hyperlink, right? Hyperlink. Okay, so here I have used a tag inside another tag. Yes, we can use like that. We always using nested tags only. For example, we opening HTML. After that, inside HTML we opening head. Okay, so we should close this head before closing the HTML. So this is a rule, it should be followed. If you not followed me, it won't show error in normal HTML, but it will show error in XHTML. So as I already told you, HTML is used for presenting data and XML is used for processing data and also for presenting data. Okay, as the combination of XML and HTML is XHTML, so if you not closed this tag means also it will affect the page in XML. Okay, it was done in XHTML, sorry. But in case of HTML, it will ignore the errors. It not strictly maintain this syntax and all, not strictly maintain. But in case of XML, the syntax and all strictly maintained. So this is the way how to give link for a text. Okay, let me move on to named link. So for that, we can give like this a, okay, space, name is equal to, in double quotes, we can give name as top. Okay, you can just close without giving any content. I have given name. Okay, this is like providing a name, and after in a space href is equal to, instead of giving a link we can give like hash that name. Okay, so here Okay, so it can be given in the top of the body. Okay, after giving lot many paragraph, you can give this top link in the bottom of the body. So that after rendering many lines, thousands of lines, till you move to the bottom of the website, right? So there you can find this top, this link. When I click on this top, it will automatically move to this end. So the top of the content is the top of the body, right? This is named link. Okay, let me quickly see how to use this in program. Let me start to create a web page with hyperlink. So initially we want to give this doc type is HTML. Okay, we want to start HTML. Okay, in Sublime, so I am using Sublime editor. In Sublime, if you are giving simply HTML, means it automatically takes all these basic tags, right? If you want to use Notepad++, you can use, or you can use Visual Code editor. So we have several editors for doing HTML. Okay, so here in title, just I am giving basic page. Okay, so in body I am giving sample. Okay, just I am saving this page and I am going to run this page here. Refresh. Yes, I got this sample which is inside body is shown here, right? The title, the basic page, is shown at the top of the page, right? So let me create a page with some content. Okay, we want to search for content because we are doing only example programs. So let me go to lorem ipsum. Okay, lipsum.com, or you can go with loremipsum.com. So this will contain a sample text so that we can use this here. Okay, here we have one title, here we have 2 lines. For quotes and all, we can use this as dummy text. Okay, this is not actual text, this is dummy text. Okay, as this is our example, just we create as like this web page. So here we have one big text in center, right? So big text means we can go with H1. Just I am pasting that. Then for this 2 I am going with the H5. Okay, for next I am giving H6. Okay, let me copy and paste this codes. This is for H5 and this is for H6. Okay, let me save, Control yes, and go to our result. Yes, we got the content. So but in our page it was aligned in center, so it was aligned in left. Okay, so let me give one tag, it means center. Okay, here I am closing center because until this H6 only I need in center. Okay, Control yes, refresh. Yes, we have aligned this text. So then see here we have one line. For giving horizontal line, what we will do? Just give HR is for horizontal row. Okay, yes, we got one line. If you want to have this fading effect, like in the corner it was faded out, no? So these effects can be given in CSS. Okay, For this content, we can go with table, right? So we can consider this as whole table. This is one row and this is two column. So we're going to create a table with two row and two column. So table. Here we don't want border because it was borderless table, right? So after table, I'm going to create this row 1. So that is TR, right? So inside TR, we're going to have TD. Okay, first TD. In first TD, we have this as title. Just I'm copying this. Inside this TD, I'm going to give inside H3. So this title was somewhat like italic, so I'm giving I. So paste, closing I and closing the H3. Okay. So this paragraph, okay, this paragraph can be given inside P tag. So I'm opening P tag. Then just we copy paste this, paste it here and close the paragraph tag. Okay, see here this lorem ipsum is given in bold. For that we can give like a B. Okay, open B and we want to close at the end of the bold. If I don't close this B, means all this paragraph will be shown in a bold text. Okay, so for that purpose I want to close this wherever I need it. Okay, this first TD have been completed. Then we go with next TD. So open TD. Okay, so close it. There I am going to open H3. So in H3, so we want to give this title. Why do we use it, right? So here. Okay, so this is given in italic mode, no? So I am closing the like this. Okay, we want to close H3. Then we want to open paragraph tag and we want to copy this tag and I'm going to place it here and close P. Then what we want to do? We have already closed the TD and TR also closed. So we want to do for the next row, right? The same thing for next row. TR. So then TD is for first TD. So in that TD we have H3. Copy. Go here. Close TD before itself. Then H3. I. Okay, paste. This time closing I and closing H3. Then opening paragraph so that I can copy paste this here. Okay, so this TD have been completed. Then move on to next TD. So here also we have one title. So copy, come here, H3 and I is for italic and close it, close the H3. Then open a paragraph and copy the content and place it in here, close the paragraph. Okay, so we have now closed TD and also TR. So we have created two rows and two columns. Okay, let me see the result. Control S, go to the page, refresh. Yes, we got as it is given in this website. So this website is in some other font. We have some other font. So we want to install or we want to give font. We can give that font in CSS also. Okay, in CSS we can see that. So now I am going to give href. Href means hyperlink, right? So for that I am going to create one new HTML page. For that, Control N is for opening new window or a new file. Okay, just I am saving it as 2.html, right? So here again I'm going to create one HTML. This is first link, right? So inside this body content, just I'm giving sample first link, right? Just save the link. So come to the 1.html, and after this center tag I'm going to give a href is equal to that a new web page name 2.html, right? So we want to close the a tag and give this content, any other content. Okay, I am just giving for example. So close a and save it and come here and refresh the page. Okay, we got this. Click here, link. Okay, this was left align, is not looking good. Just I am putting this in front of center, right? So we have link, we have created the link. Okay, so you can see the difference between normal text and this link. When mouse hovered on the link, so hand symbol is changed. Okay, now I am clicking yes, so it was linked with 2.html. okay, so here I have given plainly 2.html. If I want to link some web page which is inside a folder, for example, see here I am going to create a new folder. Okay, I am giving the name as sub. So inside this folder I am going to create another one web page, right? So Control N, save, open this new folder .3.html, right? So if I want to link this means, so here click first link. Okay, so let me give that 3.html so that you can find the difference. So here where the 3.html found, inside subfolder sub/3.html. So here I have given plainly only the file name. This is because the source file, this base file 1.html and 2.html are found in the same folder, that too parallelly. Okay, even this 3.html is also found in the same folder, but inside we have another one subfolder, right? So this is second link. Okay, let me refresh the page. Yes, we have two links. So this link I have already clicked, right? So it have changed the color as pink. So this is new link. So it was in light blue color. When I click this link, that new page opens. Okay, now the color have been changed. Okay, I hope you understand what is link, right? So you can give for any other URL also. See, href, here I am going to give, okay, let me take this website itself for example. Okay, I am giving this link for third link. Okay, save, come to the file and refresh. So click, right? So you can give full path also. You can give any website address, any web page address, you can give like that. Okay, so now let me move on to link name. Now we have linked a page, a file, right? So we can link through name. So this is possible when we have long page. So in order to create this page as long page, I'm going to copy the same content. So this row and this row into multiple copies. Control C. So Control V, then Control V, so that I can fulfill many pages. So Control S. Now here just refresh. So now I have lot many content. So my target is I'm going to give one link here, move to top, right? When I click this move to top, this automatically should show this starting page. Okay, this is move top. Okay, so here we want to have this starting page, no? So here I am giving A. Okay, name is equal to, name is top page. Just I am giving like top page. So just close the A link. Okay, so this is name of the link. Okay, at the end of the file I am going to give like a href, okay, hash top page. This is the name which we have given already in the top of the page. Okay, move to top. Okay, close the link, Control S, go here, refresh and come down. Okay, it was here. Okay, it was here. So click on move to top. Yes, it's showing the top of the page. It means we have that name here, somewhere here. We didn't give any text, no, so it was not shown in the viewer scene. Link by name means we can give some name for a tag. Okay, we can link that name through hash symbol, right, which we have used at the bottom of the page. Okay, I hope you understand this link completely. Let me see how to add images with our website. So before that, let me create a folder called image. So I'm giving img. So here I'm going to give some images. Okay, let me copy from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, copy. Okay, files, images, place. Okay, just I am changing the name because it was very big name now. So img1, then img2, img3. See, for example, I am changing the name like random names like img1, img2, img3, right? Okay, if you are using in a website means, for example, if you are creating a textile shop, okay, for example, for a t-shirt, right? For t-shirt, if I am giving name as image1, image2 means it won't work for SEO. Okay, for SEO purpose, if it was black t-shirt means give it as the textile showroom name, or black t-shirt, black hyphen t-shirt with best quality. You can give like this, or you can give a black t-shirt XL. Okay, if you give like this means it will be reflected for SEO purpose also. Okay, this is for example, that's why I'm just giving image1, image2, right? So let me go inside our site. Let me make new row between this, right? So tr, okay, new row. Here I am going to give td. Inside that td, I am going to give that image img. This is not like my folder name or my file name. Okay, this is keyword img, right? Space src equal to, src means source. Okay, our image is in the folder. We want to render the folder from this 1.html, because in this 1.html only we were working on, right? So for this 1.html, our image is found inside image, then image1, right? So we want to give like this, img slash img1 dot. Okay, we want to note file name accurately, right? So here jpg. So all our images are jpg, so no problem. If you have doubt in finding out the extension means, just right click, go to the properties. There you can find the name, or else you can just copy this name and you can work out for your program. Okay, so I'm going to this and I'm pasting this here. Okay, just closing the tab and closing the td, right? So in next td, I'm going to link another one image. For that, just I am copying this and pasting this. Just I am changing the image name as image2. Okay, save. Let me run it out. Refresh. Yes, we have this. Okay, we have this image like this. See, when we link the image default size itself, we have linked the image in default size, right? We didn't mention any size like height or width likewise. So here we're going to mention. So in this result, we got image as its size. Okay, for mentioning size, give space width. Okay, just I am giving 500 pixel, space height as 500 pixel. Okay, so same here also, I am giving the same width and height for second image also. Control S. Okay, come here and refresh. Yes, according to our size, image have been shrink or expanded, right? So this is image tag. So let me move on to next tag. Is object tag. So we have three type of tag similar to object. One is object, next one is embed, and another one is iframe. These three were used for linking a document. It may be in PDF form, or it may be image, okay, or it may be audio, video, it may be any data. So we want to link that data with our website, means we are using this sort of tags. Okay, so let me see the difference between these three, and you can automatically know about what is this, right? So okay, I'm just using this tr. So next tr, first td, right? Here I'm going to use embed. So embed. Right, so embed. Here you can just give src. Okay. So for embedding I have given, see, I have given PDF and video, so I can embed video or image or PDF. I can embed anything, so I'm going with PDF. So I'm just copying the name of the PDF so that I can easily give for the source. So .pdf, right? But this PDF file is inside. So this PDF file is inside PDF. Okay, files, PDF. So in files only we have one.html, so no need to mention this files. It's enough to mention this folder PDF, right? PDF slash. Okay, simply that's all. Just I am closing the TD. Okay, again TD. So here I am going to use object. So object space. Here we used source, right? src. For object the difference is data. Data is equal to, we can use this same thing. Okay, so close the TD. Close the TR. Okay, let me see what's the difference between embed and object. Control C, refresh. Oh sorry, this is not on the page. Let's refresh. So now we can find the same thing for same tags, right? So actually these two were work like same, but it differs with some elements, like here we using src. Src means we just linking the source file with this file. Okay, so this is just like a link, but here data means we just getting all data from this PDF file into this file, that is object. So this was the main difference between embed and object. Okay, so let me see how that iframe will be. Okay, for that I'm just opening next tr, again TD. Okay, here I'm going to use iframe. Okay, in src I'm going to give the same PDF, right? So let me close the tr. I didn't give one TD. Let me see. Just refresh. Right, there is no difference between this three, but we have mild difference. As I told you, for embed and object, so iframe means it will take all files and show it here itself. So that's frame. It will create a frame and it will put that file which we give inside that frame. So that was the main duty of iframe. Okay, in iframe we can give some video also. See, so in video section I have given one video, just I am linking that video. So inside video I have this file, just I am copying this name, right? So inside video I have a file called this .mp4, right? Control S. So let me see the result. See, we have page, right? this same can be done in this too also, right? Very simple, you can see now. Control S. So it will act similarly. Okay, if I want to embed my YouTube video inside this frame, means just open YouTube. Okay, so just I'm going to video, right? So here we have share option. Okay, in share we have embed, right? So here we have code in iframe. Copy the code. Okay, just paste it. Just paste it here. Okay, Control S, and let me see the result. Right, it was embedded. Okay, so this was embedded. So for this type of, if I want to include YouTube, so it will be possible in iframe, right? So if I am giving the same value, if I am going to give the same source, see, let me check actually. So I am just copying the source. Okay, I am giving for this embed. Okay, Control S. So again I am giving for this object, Control S. Okay, let me see the result. So same way, right? It will work like same, only very micro differences. Okay, let me see other topics in next session. So task of the day. Today's task is create a website using all the tags which we discussed, particularly href, I mean anchor tag for linking two different websites, two different web pages, and try to use all three tags which is used for embedding and sourcing the other videos, audios likewise, and also try to embed YouTube videos into your website. Okay, after completing this, upload it in your today's task section. Let me see in next session. Thank you. Bye bye. It's me, NITHYA.